Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel, and this week I am doing a random color makeup look, but if you have read the title and clicked on here, you already know it's gold. And if you want to know how I achieve this gold explosion subtle look, then keep on watching. So today I am doing a random makeup. So to get started, I'm just going to be shaking my jar so that I know what color I could pick. And it's gold. Really want to be using an eyeliner, and I don't have gold eyeliner, so I can't use an eyeliner, and it is what it is today. But I can do a gold explosion, if I can call it that. And so there's only one color. Well, I have different shades of gold, but they're cold gold versus warm gold, and I'm doing warm gold for this. I'm using the makeup palette, the Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones, and I will be using the Queen. And I will be using a big fluffy brush for everything here. And then I guess I will go in with a firm round brush for underneath on my lower lash line. And then I will use my fingers on my actual lid so I can have a more intense gold here and then more of a faded gold all around. So it's like an explosion of gold, but it's the same color. Then I want to take my Essence eye blender brush that looks like this, and I will just slightly, very slightly brush this out a little bit. So before I put mascara on, I will be curling my lashes. And then I will be using the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this. And I will only apply it on my upper lashes. And the last thing I will be putting on is my setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. So this is the finished look. This is a very subtle gold eyeshadow. I don't know how well it picks up on camera, but in real life you can see I'm wearing gold eyeshadow just all over. But it's not just like everything is gold like intensely. It's intense on my eyelids where the light should be hitting and the focus should be, and then it's just faded out like the explosion, gold glittery explosion. So that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!